How to save file as video format in PowerPoint. For that, I have a file made in PowerPoint where I have made some animations. I am running the file. I am running the slide. Here, this is the animation, and this animation has been made by using PowerPoint program. Now I am going to save the file in video format. You can click save as, or you can click export. I am clicking save as to save the file in my computer. I like to save the file on my desktop. Now I am selecting the file type. Yes, you can save the file in Windows Media file format or MP4 format. I am selecting MP4. Click save. The program is creating video file. Please wait while the file is being created. Please wait. The file has been made. I am closing the program. Now I am going to test it. This is PowerPoint file and this is my video file that I have made from PowerPoint. Now I am testing the file. This is my video file, and this video file has been saved from PowerPoint. It is MP4 format. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please share it with your friend, comment on it, and subscribe this channel here.